Hello everybody, this is me. I'm waving the camera around here, swinging it around with one arm. Sorry about that. Milly Vincent, and she lives in somethingville and this must be in America, I think. Nashville? Yeah, oops. So Milly, let me see what I've got in here from you. Thank you. Oh, nice. Thank you very much. Wow. Thank you very much, Milly. And I have Sonya. Here's your piece of material. Hope you can use it. Sending in some brown paper I seen at somewhere. God bless you, Milly Vincent. Thank you so much, Milly, in brown paper. Oh, this is nice. Oh, gee, this is soft, isn't it? Oh, look at the colours. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much. That is really, really pretty. It is really pretty. Thank you very much for this, Milly. I do like it. I do like it. It's lovely colours. I do love the colours and the feel of it. It's very, my hand's probably really rough because it's getting caught on that. That's not nice, me poor old hand, but never mind. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you sending me that nice piece of fabric. And I will definitely be finding somewhere, well, it's going to go into my book. I'm making book. I might have more than one book. We've got a few pages. So this is Arby's Meat Craft. Oh, well, this is interesting. Absolutely delicious sandwiches they make. But, oh, this is a cool piece of paper. This will look nice in my book, won't it? Oh, yes. Except they've got to cut up all these things to make the sandwiches. But you know what? It's just the way life is, isn't it? So we can't be too worried about it. Thank you so much. This is really neat. I've got enough here to make a few pages in my journal. Make a few pages in my journals. Thank you very much for that, Milly. I really do like that. Thank you, darling. I appreciate you taking the time to send me that lovely envelope with this nice goodie in it. Thank you very much. I might put him back in here. Sometimes I've got to try and keep them all together. Keep everything in the one place. I can't probably forget who sent the things after a while, but thank you so much for that, darling. I really appreciate that. Very kind of you. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. Thank you everybody for watching.